Welcome to the vlog.
No.
So Hayes just
My pizza's getting wet.
oh no.
Stand over here. No. Oh, this is kind of good. Wait, why is this kind of fire? It was on my sweatshirt.
Yeah.
To the vlog. So we're at Mod Pizza eating outside, and we were just talking about how Megan just wants to date a normal boy. Megan, what are you looking for?
Boy.
Describe what you're looking for.
No, just kidding.
No.
You kind of look like Beck. This seat is now wet.
Okay.
Hands it down. I'm gonna make a note.
You are an intermission.
This is freezing
while
cold.
Megan's thinking of what she's looking for. Like top 5 things in general for all my fans to know, in case they want to hit you up. Anyway.
What happened to you?
Guys, I'm pretty sure she was laughing at me. We could have done a mukbang. Guys, I'm feeling like my hair is hideous. Now Hayes is freezing.
Uh-huh. Okay, I got mine.
Okay, Megan has her top 5 things she looks for in a man.
Okay. Christian. Humor. Normal / good hygiene. Like you can't, like, you just can't be a little weird. I mean, you can, but like in a normal way. You know what I'm saying?
Like that guy in there.
I'm gonna get so like,
It's
so much
apart.
hate from your subscribers.
My 33 subscribers.
Physically, like boyish features, like that jawline, that fluffy like brown hair, like TikTok boy.
Okay.
Unfortunately. And then like respectful. Like I don't want a Navy boy, you know.
Uh-huh. We hate Navy boys in this friend group.
Except for my sister's boyfriend.
Except for
dinner. Wait, that didn't even work. Wait, this is not drying.
you agree.
Okay, she's done.
I'm having a horrible time.
How the
One,
How do you turn this?
it looks like I wet myself still because I got my water, my entire cup of water.
God, Hayes, I'm pretty sure my cramps are so bad. This is what like contractions feel like.
My problems right now, Emma.
Okay.
Let me talk.
Really?
And then we went
Is that
to
a cherry?
Sweet Frog, and
Tie it with your tongue.
they have to do the chocolates for you because of COVID, and it was going great until I hadn't said a word, and the girl just put a crap ton of oats on my ice cream.
Just oats.
Like disgusting. It was horrible, and I made myself
What?
eat it
Is it guy?
anyways. I
That
thought
song Megan hates, but I can't think of one.
Because I don't discriminate.
You just said you don't like dad bods.
no comment. Which way was going out? Shout out Olivia Rodrigo. Oh, right?
Oh, Megan.
I can't get it out of your face. If you don't get my phone. Oh, she was in my mouth. So I don't like mango, so.
Not even chewy.
What? It's spicy.
That's the whole point.
I'll just hold this.
I'd rather have the lollipop one that you put tahini on. I don't
in my
want it.
hand. My face glaring.
Hayes?
I'm putting this in her pantry and leaving it here.
My dad will probably eat it.
Anyways. Your dad's like, where'd you get this? To your mom, and your mom's like, I've never seen it
From
my
El
life.
Leoncito Ponchin.
Yeah. Okay, next
it.
stop is Chick-fil-A. They took ASL in high school, didn't you know? Ow.
Okay, Hayes is in the roasting mood because
You were in a roasting mood. They just locked me out of the car when it's pouring rain.
because it was a funny prank.
So is you guys not taking a pouring rain.
Give this video a thumbs up if Emma's the funniest prank.
welcome.
Okay, which is more applicable, ASL or French?
What is what?
More applicable. Come on.
Yeah, but I'm just saying you couldn't read. Who thinks I should turn my windshield wipers on? I think you shouldn't.
Megan,
Used to laugh, had mad jokes. The teacher always got me mad. Has notes. We started off so innocent. She had a vibe and I started digging it.
Bye.